Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to convert marker ink into usable paint at home. You need alcohol markers, a glass jar, a metal blade, and gloves. We extract pigment by scraping the marker core into 90% isopropyl alcohol. Work near ventilation and wear gloves to avoid skin contact and fumes. Typical yield is 1 marker core per 5 to 10 milliliters of solvent. Strain the mixture through a coffee filter to remove fibers and debris. Label the jar with the color and date before you refrigerate or store. Choose a binder such as PVA glue, acrylic medium, or gum arabic for watercolor. Start with 1 part extracted ink and 3 parts binder for acrylic style paint. For watercolor consistency, dilute the binder with 2 parts water to keep transparency. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin per 100 milliliters to improve flow and flexibility. Test small batches on paper to adjust pigment strength before mixing larger quantities. Use heat gently to thin stubborn clumps. Avoid boiling or direct flame. Prepare surfaces by cleaning dust and applying a primer for better adhesion and durability. Apply thin layers and allow 24 hours drying between coats for a stable acrylic film. Use a synthetic brush or sponge for even coverage and minimal fiber loss. Clean tools with isopropyl alcohol or soapy water depending on binder type after painting. Avoid ingestion and skin contact. Work in ventilation and wear gloves and eye protection. Dispose leftover solvent at hazardous waste centers. Do not pour alcohol or concentrated ink down drains. Experiment with ratios,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.